I'm going to show you how to change out the toner on a Canon D570 printer, image class D570. This toner, which is the cartridge 137, also works on these other printers. But today we're showing you how to change it out on the D570. So first, open up the top of the printer to remove the old one. Then pop open this cover right here. There it is. Now pull the toner out. There it is. Put that aside and unbox your new toner. Kind of hard to film and unbox stuff. I usually have a camera stand, but I'm not at my studio. I've never had trouble unboxing anything, but today I am. It's a sealed bag, so. Alright, next step, in your new toner, peel these two tabs off in order to, you're gonna have to, it's only one tab and it's about that long. Yep, so put that aside, and now with your new toner, slide it right in to where you remove the old one from. And now it should say and now you have replaced your toner. You should have 100% life right now. Let's check it out. I'm gonna print that. And in the report, says level 100%. So we have replaced it successfully. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and like the video. I know, sorry about the shaky camera. I don't have my camera stand with me. So yeah, I'll see you next time. One more word. I recommend taking the old cartridge, putting it back in its box, and going to a responsible recycling place to recycle this old cartridge. There you go.